Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can convert a PDF to a PPT format so that you can edit your PDFs in PowerPoint. So let's get right into it. Now, PPTs are PowerPoint's extension for their files, PPT or PPTX. They are the format for their slideshows, and you do need to have those files in order to edit them in PowerPoint. As you can see on Google, I just typed in PDF to PPT converter. There is a lot of free converters online, and you can use whichever one you want. I'll use the Canva one, but or rather I use it in general, but I'll switch it up. I'll use this I Love PDF converter for now. So all you have to do is select the PDF file from your PC, and once you've selected it, you can just click convert to PPTX, and you just need to wait for it to convert. As you can see, it's a small file, so it converted immediately, and then you just have to click download. As you can see, it downloaded it as a PPTX, and you can just launch it by double clicking it, or you can go into your PowerPoint. Let me just delete everything here. Go into file, go into open, and then select it from your downloads. Just go and open it up, and as you can see, after a couple of seconds loading, it'll open up the PDF in a PPT format. And now what you need to do is enable editing, and now you can start actually editing the file as a PPT, and you can present it as a PowerPoint presentation. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.